Hi everyone, I'm Christy McCammon and I share tips, tools, and recipes to help you on your journey towards food freedom. Today I'm going to make cauliflower buns. Since giving up flour and sugar, it definitely limits buns and tortillas and things like that. So I'd like to come up with ways to sandwich meat or beans or things like that. So today, cauliflower buns. For this recipe, you only need 3 main ingredients, and it's a vegetable and protein is what it ends up counting as. You need 1 ounce Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, and 2 cups riced cauliflower. You can, of course, rice your own cauliflower by about a medium cauliflower head and steam that, rice that, and all of that. I like to buy it from the store already done. It just saves me some time and I'm comfortable with that. So however you want to do it, 2 cups riced cauliflower. And then you will just want whatever spices. I just like garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Makes it simple, but you could definitely do some chili flakes or lime or things like that to spice it up a little bit. But this is how we're doing it today. I've already drained one of these bags. It actually takes 2. I just did one and realized that each one of these small bags makes only about a cup once you squeeze the liquid out, and that's what we're going to do right now. So I have one of them ready with the liquid out of it, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So this is the second bag. So 2 bags of these for the 2 cups, or they make them in bigger bags. So you put it in a clean dish towel or a piece of cheesecloth or something to drain it, and you wrap it up. And so liquid will start coming out right away, and you're just going to squeeze this, get all the liquid out, discard the liquid, and then you're left with the dry cauliflower. Now that we have our 2 cups cauliflower dried, we're going to add the egg. And we're just going to mix this all together in one bowl. It's super simple. So we're going to do the egg, the Parmesan cheese, and then the spices. So like I said, I'm just using garlic powder, kind of eyeball, maybe a tablespoon of that, and then however much pepper you like, and salt. That would just be kind of personal taste. All right. And then I'm going to mix it. So the mixture is done and ready, and now I just need to make 6 buns. So it's really going to create 3 buns, but a top and bottom for each. So 6 circles. Basically, you're just going to get 6, portion them out so you have them the same amount. Now that I have it divided into 6 even portions, I'm going to take them and kind of shape them into patties. So you'll just go around, get them started, and then you can just make the edges round, kind of flat. I have them shaped into equal size patties or rounds. And I'm going to put them in the oven, 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes, and flip them halfway through when they seem like they're set. So go 10 minutes, 375, flip them, and then another 7 to 10 minutes. So I've had them in 10 minutes, and they're mostly set, and I just do a quick flip. Back in the oven for about 10 minutes. These are done in the oven. They've shrunk a little bit, but you can see they're holding their form really nicely. And then now you just do a quick 1 to 2 minute per side sear in a hot skillet. So I'm just going to show you what 2 of them will look like. So I'll do 2 minutes this side, flip them, 1 to 2 minutes the other side. So I pressed them down a little bit just to get some more contact surface to get more crispy, and they're a little warm, but look at that. That looks awesome. All right, they're done. To be totally honest, they turned out better than I thought. They hold together really well. So I'm thinking I can get a nice burger out of this. So You can use any type of patty that you want, whatever you want to put on it. I just have a plant-based patty, so I'll put that on first. If you want mayonnaise, you can count that as your fat, however you want to build it at this point once you have the buns. These buns count as half a protein and maybe an ounce or two, couple ounces of vegetables. But primarily it's protein and a little bit of vegetable. But half a protein for 2 buns. And then we put our patty on. I'm gonna do some lettuce and some onion. And then I like to dip in ketchup. And I'm gonna put my top on. And look, I have a nice burger. Tomato, avocado, whatever you'd put on a burger. It's good to go, and it's holding together really nicely. So obviously it's not a bun, but it's an awesome, great, fantastic alternative.